What is data visualization? The creation and study of the visual representation of data to communicate information clearly and efficiently. Why does it matter? Unless our words, concepts, ideas are hooked onto an image, they will go in one ear, sail through the brain, and go out the other. Words are processed by our short-term memory. Images, on the other hand, go directly into long-term memory, where they are indelibly etched. Visualizations act as a campfire around which we gather to tell stories. In the right hands, your information can become persuasive, dynamic, engaging, beautiful. Data can delight. White papers become a rainbow of color. Processes run smoothly. Reports tell great stories. Complex subjects are made easy to understand. Infographics leap from the page. How-to guides become hands-on winners. Presentations come to life. Compelling stories are told. Product specification lives and breathes. The finest technical detail shown in its true glory. And your world is made visual. Visualize your data for more engagement, deeper understanding, and bottom-line results.